Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to find out a value from a specific value from huge number of text or from a row, and then I will show you what is the length of the whole value in a single row, and then what would be the trim. So for this, before converting, I have column 1 which has some value here, and then I would like to find, let's say, C. Then here I have to use the formula find, then a parenthesis, then find text. So we have to bear in our mind that which text we would like to see. We have to type it with the asterisk. So asterisk, let's say I would like to see C, and then comma, and then select the whole cell, parenthesis closed, enter. Then I can see the uh, position of C is 3 or third. Bear in mind that this formula is case sensitive, so we have to use either we have to always use the target value accordingly. And the next one is length. So what is the length of the uh, column 1 row? So which is E2 cell reference. And then for this I would like to use LEN, which is length, and then select the whole row. The parenthesis closed and enter. Then I can see the length of this whole row is 4, which means we can see A, B, C, D. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. Trim. Trim is basically used for cutting off the empty space either before or after the text. So let's say I in this cell I take an empty space before A, then I can see that the find and length position has also changed. So here trim would work like this: trim, a parenthesis, and then select this row, enter. Then I can see the only the value that I have here. So this is how we can find out our target values. Thanks.